have to write the answers. If you wrote the answers, please check from me. Get your homework, check from me. So let's start. Write with me these questions. Complete the line. Complete the line. Okay. So first line, it is the seeds you can eat. Seeds you can eat. Okay, means you have to see the fruits, and in the fruits or in the vegetables which seeds are able to eat. So you have to write here answer. Seeds you can eat. Second one is the seeds you should not eat. You should not eat. Seeds we can eat, we can tell us tamarind seed. Seeds you should not eat, you have to write. Number third, it is the seeds you cannot eat. Seeds you cannot eat. Cannot eat. Okay, there are only 3 questions. That's how you have to do. Okay, lesson name, it is the magical seeds. Okay, when you see or when you read these lessons, the magical seeds, we first questions arise in our mind, why this chapter give the name of magical seeds. Okay, so magical seeds means in this lesson we are going to learn about the how seeds growing into the seedling and how the baby plants grow into the tree. We have to learn in this lesson. So without any further portion, it is the structure of seeds. Okay, all seeds have a outermost part. All seeds have this outermost part. It is called as the seed coat. It is called as the seed coat. Means this outermost part of seed is called as the seed coat. Seed coat. Okay, all seeds have a tiny hole. All seeds have a tiny holes. This is called as the holes. Okay, all seeds have a hole. All seeds have a tiny holes. What is the function of this hole? Okay, what is the function of this hole? This hole means these tiny holes which takes water for germinating seed. Germinating seeds means these holes helps to us for to grow a seed into seedling. Okay, because these holes which takes water for a germinating seed. Okay, now this is the diagram. Because all seeds have a tiny plants inside them. All seeds have a tiny plants inside them. Okay, now we will move towards the diagram. Okay, this is the seeds. Okay, now we have recently seen these seeds. This outermost part is called as the seed coat, and this is tiny hole. It is called as the holes, which these tiny holes, through these holes which seeds takes the water to germinate the plant. Okay, now all seeds have a tiny plants. It is called as the embryo. Okay, you can see in the seeds, this is the small plants have been grew up in the seeds. This is called as the embryo. Okay, now these 2 leaves are called as the cotyledons. These 2 leaves is called as the cotyledons. Okay, these 2 leaves are called as the cotyledons. Now what is the main job of cotyledons in the seeds? Okay, these cotyledons provide food. These cotyledons provide food to the embryo. Embryo means a baby new plant. Embryo in the initial stage of germination. In the initial stage of germination. Germination. Stage of germination. Okay. I hope you might have understood this. Okay. All over again we will revise. This is the seed. Okay. Structure of seeds we are going to learn. Okay. Now these seeds have a outermost part, it is called as the seed coat. This tiny hole, it is called as the hole. With through this hole the seeds can take the water through the germinate. Okay. Now this all seeds have a baby plant. This baby plant, it is called as the embryo. Okay. Embryo, and this is the cotyledonous. Outermost part, it is called as the cotyledonous, and cotyledonous provides the food to the baby plant. To the baby plant, it means that the embryo for the initial stage of germination. Okay. As a child, as a infancy stage, we also takes a balanced diet, balanced foods for need to our growth. Like plants also needs nutrients, waters and minerals. Okay, now we have to learn about the seeds through the plants. It is the life cycle of the plants. Okay, so first there are the total 5 initial stages of seeds into the plants. Okay, so first you can see in this the pictures, the dry seeds means we have to take one dry seeds and we have to put in the bowls. Otherwise what utensils you have available, you can pour it in the seeds, a small quantity of water, means we can write the dry seeds absorbs water. Dry seeds absorbs water means which substance you can you can put in the water, that substance absorbs the water and swells out. Swells means it will become turgid, यानी फूल जाएगा वो, swells out. Okay, means first of all we took one dry seeds and we put in the water, then this dry seeds absorbs the water and it will swell like kidney beans, like horse gram, etc. We have examples in our daily life. Second, okay, this is the first stage. Now second stage, what will happen, these seeds swell out, means these seeds swell out and the seed coat splits into a small white structure. A small white structure come out. Small white structure come out. Okay, so this small white structure come out, it is called as the radicle. Okay, and this radicle grows downwards to the root. Okay, first stage we have seen dry seeds absorb waters and swell out. Okay, this after you can see the kidney beans. Okay, when you soak the kidney beans before night, after tomorrow it will the small coat split, the small white structure splits out. Okay, now these seeds swell out in the water and the seeds will become turgid, and this turgid small white structure comes out to the seeds. It is called as the radicle. Okay, and do you know the radicle grows into downwards to the root. Okay, now third initial stage okay, in the third stage you can see baby plants has become grew. Okay, now what we can write in this? Okay, in second stage we can see the radicle grows out. Okay, in this third stage the seed coat opens completely. In third stage, seed coat means outermost part of the seed coats open completely, and the plumule is exposed. Plumule is exposed. Now you will be wondering what is meant by the plumule. Okay, plumule means it will grow above the soil. Mean it is the part of the stem. Okay, means when this plumule sprouts, the stem is gradually increases. Okay, seed coat opens completely and plumule is exposed. This is called as the plumule. Okay, and this plumule grows upward to the means above the soil. Okay, now fourth stage. Okay, fourth and fifth stage, it is the only one stage. Okay, in fourth and fifth stage togetherly the seeds grow into the seedling. Seeds grow into the seedling. Otherwise we can write the plant. Okay, the seeds grow into the seedling. You can see in the diagram the plant has been bare here on the nodes, and here it is also the plant, the leaves has become bare. Okay, so seeds grow into the seedling and new plants. In this stage the plants or the seeds are entirely supports itself, and they are able to grow by its own. इस स्टेज में प्लांट्स क्या करेगा, खुद ही ग्रो होगा, उसे किसकी सपोर्ट्स की नो नीड. ओके, दिस इज द स्टेजेस ऑफ सीड्स इनटू सीडलिंग और सीड्स इनटू प्लांट्स.